Yeah, it seems to be working. At least it beeped. Okay, one more adventure. You might not be able to hear me well because this is my fisheye camera. It's in a waterproof container, and that kind of deadens the sound. Up ahead you can see Small Mountain and Jean. This is my high def camera. Cost me $300. Now what I have to do is find software for a PC that'll edit the files. Until then I'll have to go over to Danny's house and edit them on his Mac. Okay, as I said before, it's Jean and I walking up the road. Nothing exactly interesting to see on this, but just give you an idea what the beginning of this trail is like. And again, we're working on the secret site connectors today. Just the two of us. All our surfing partners are out surfing just because it comes up. Their legs are gonna, what's the term? When your muscles give up? They're going to lose their leg muscles and just they'll be crawling around with huge shoulders and arms from paddling. Okay, we're coming up on Lookout Point, named by the hunters 40 plus years ago. Get a good 360 view of the valley from the point up here. The ridge you see right in front of us, I have a trail on that coming down that one, although I haven't been on it about 4 years, so I even wonder if you could even find the track. Although we did hang a bunch of purple ribbons on that one. Okay, right up there is Star Trek. Seemingly impossible climb unless you know the trick. Clouds are keeping the summit socked in. It's quite humid today. There was a little bit of rain this morning because the ground is wet. And there off in the distance is Kamaileuna Ridge. The high peak is Kavivi. And then just below Kavivi, really close to us, Small Mountain. And the ocean.
The radio that I found, look at the batteries. Whoever this was theirs.
can hear the border water supply guys chopping away at something. Well, we're up on another section with some huge agaves. We're still not in the area that we're clearing. This is one of our access trails. We've climbed about close to 1,000 feet since we left the gate. There's another view of Star Trek. Yep, there's really a way up there. Okay, we're at the mango tree site. Whoever built the walls didn't do a very good job. Definitely not Hawaiian quality. But they did plant a lot of mango trees. Pigs have also been up here digging. This is where we head into the bush and pick up the trail that actually leads to Secret Site 2. It's not much of a trail yet, but it will be. Okay, you see these two rock walls over here? They make a path that goes all the way to Secret Site 2. But right here, there's this really big bunch of tea leaf, 8 to 10 inch diameter tea leaf trunks right on the trail. So we're going to cut to the right of it. We'll just bypass this section so we don't have to cut so much tea. So this is a before shot. Let's see what it looks like after. Gene's on the other side and he'll be coming towards me.